got him! Come on! Go, 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 go! See that pill over there?
What now?
That pill over there. Pill touched!
Two, one.
Yeah.
Okay? What is that? So you can jump for cover or you can shoot right away. It's up to you. Are you reloading? Spectator, go against the wall.
Hey, you have my bail sock?
Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Alright. When I count, take it back. So one, take it back, stuff like that, okay? Don't worry about it. I'll figure it out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fire! Spectators are doing good. This is fine. Alright. You guys have handguns?
No.
No. Alright, play out! Alright guys, come back here.
What?
Alright, are you guys ready?
Ready!
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Wait, don't you have to back up?
Real back up! Spread out! 1 minute, and both of you have to run with no guns and get set up. So, run down now. Try and get the shot. Or kill somebody, or you both of you are running.
Ah! Hit! Hit! I almost got you, man.
Alright, hustle. You can change that back. You turn that back. Okay. Do you have a handgun? Wait.
I don't have a handgun.
Do you have a handgun, okay? Alright, make sure you're loaded. We're gonna do elimination. We're gonna find out who's gonna do the running.
Alright.
I thought, you want more? I thought the first person out has to do it.
No, I'm gonna do elimination. Sounds fair.
That should be enough.
Okay.
Is it all pistols?
Yep, it's pistol. We're doing back to back.
Oh, okay.
Alright, back to back. You want us to? No, you. Hey, Mike, where you going?
Oh, I'm going?
Yep. Okay. Who's you got out? Okay. Good box. Okay. Hustle. Back to back. This time, there is no running to cover. One shot. You are out.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take a step. 2, 3, 4. Shoot!
Hit!
Where up? Alright, I want, you, come on, handgun. Other one. Handgun.
Hope it didn't hit my camera. Is it good?
Yeah. Alright, wait. You got out, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna be safe.
What?
You're good. You're safe. You got it. Got it. Do you have ammo?
Got it. Johnny!
No, we're good. We're good. Oh, you have it? Alright. Alright. It's out of these two. Whoever loses is gonna get shot up pretty bad.
Oh, come on.
Oh.
That's the first one I want to shut up.
You had that vest, right?
Why?
You want to wear a vest then?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
You can use it.
No, not now. If you lose.
Copy. I'm going to lose anyway.
I don't have the gun.
Well, I'm in the... Oh, that's me straight up.
Oh, man. Alright, let's hustle. Okay, guys who aren't shooting?
Could I test and see if the M14's working?
Yeah, shoot over there. Okay, I'll wait for one.
Oh, do we have to go back to back?
Back to back, guys. Back to back.
I got 4 shots left.
Alright, guys, listen up. Turn back to back. No running to cover. I'm going to tell you that you're going to count down. I'm going to do that, and you're going to turn around and you're going to shoot each other.
Do you copy?
Yeah, what's up?
Is your group coming in soon?
Yeah, we're on our last game right now.
Alright, cool. Food is here. I'm gonna have Fritz swap out with you so you can eat your lunch whenever you get back in.
Sounds good, thank you.
I thought we had more airsoft players.
Alright, don't worry. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, shoot! Alright guys, get your big guns ready. We're gonna start unloading on somebody. Don't worry.
Come on.
You don't?
Oh, I didn't have that one recorded. Damn it.
Somebody.
Grab your big guns, hurry
Go
up,
ahead.
hurry up.
Better have you be extra protected.
Keep your mask on. I thought that's when you came out.
How does this go?
I'll show you. First,
Alright.
put it over your head.
Found out it was wrong.
You found out?
Yeah.
You good?
He doesn't,
Alright,
know,
hustle up.
he doesn't know that
Then what you're gonna do
the ammo in the back of the high cap.
is that
Oh, okay.
these right here go around your waist.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys who are going to be shooting at the runner, you're going to be
Put the other one around your waist.
the bunkers here,
Put
okay?
this other one you have on
Once you're in the
around.
bunkers, you stay there. You're going to be in designated bunkers.
And then
you're not going to be
these
able to move, okay?
Swipe over.
So
You're
separate
good.
yourselves, find the bunker you want, and you're staying there. I'll show you the course of running. Alright, come here.
Anybody got a spare pistol?
Somebody's supposed
Yeah, take mine.
Yeah,
Mag pouch is open. Close that for me, please.
Huh? Hey, wait, Kevin.
One of the mag pouches is open. That one. Alright, you good.
Yeah. You might want to know that.
Close.
You're going to start over there. You see that red pole?
What do you say, full auto?
You're going to start there. Your goal is to run and touch that pillar over here. You saw the pillar before, right?
Oh, no, I've been there, okay.
Alright, don't worry. You're going to run here. You're going to see a pillar. Run to that, touch it, and you're home free, okay?
Okay.
Go to pull over it. Alright, you guys. Come here. One of you stationed right here.
Who's got the best gun? Yeah, you can go there.
Alright, right here. Next person.
I feel so bad for him now.
Hurry up! Do you see it? It's on the left. Left!
So pretty much like turrets now.
You see it? Do you see it?
I see you.
Are you ready? There's a pole, it's a white pole with a red tape on it. I think so. Yeah, that's good. You stay there. That's good. You ready? Alright, the shooters are right here. Keep in mind, the shooters are right here.
I feel so sorry for him now.
I know.
Get ready to unload! The runner cannot get out. He can get shot, but he's not going to get out. He has to make it. So you guys make sure you get the best hits on him, alright?
Okay. We'll do it.
Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3, run! Go, go, go! Unload, unload! You're going to get something. Unload! You keep shooting, guys! Don't aim! It's a waste of time! Keep shooting, take them out!
He's behind the barricade. Right, there he is, there he is.
I lost freaking batteries out.
Alright, guys.
See what I'm showing?
Same spot, but go down to the bunker down there. Go closer. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up! Same window. Same window. Unload, unload, take them out! The faster you run, the better it is! Trust me, just run!
I'm out.
Run! Run!
Out of ammo.
Alright, hey, switch bunkers with him. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up!
Kenny, you got your speed loader?
He's making it! He's making it!
Took it, man, took it!
Go, 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 go! You're almost there, buddy! You're almost there, come on!
I'm out anyway.
You're out! Alright, guys, cease fire! Get the guys on! Keep on, man!
You got him? You had like 2 more.
Hey guys, you want to take a break after this?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright. You wanna...
Yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
Put your bill stock on and return the dead box.
2 remaining. 2 remaining.